Hello students, today's our topic is force. Well, this is an extract from the chapter Force and Laws of Motion. What is force? It is the force that enable us to do any kind of work, to do anything. Either we pull an object or we push an object, therefore pull or push of an object is called force. For example, to open a door, either we push it or we pull it. So here we are applying force. Force is an external effort which may make move a body at rest, or it can stop a moving body, or it can change the speed of a fast moving body, or it can change the direction of a moving body, or it can change the size and shape of a body as well. Effects of force. Force can move a body at rest. In first picture you can see the car is in the position of rest, but the person is trying to make it move by applying force. So force can move a body at rest. Force can stop a moving body. Here in second picture you can see the player is trying to make a hold on the ball by applying force on it. So force can stop a moving ball. Force can change the speed of a moving body. Here in third picture you can see the bicycle rider can change the speed of cycle at any instant of time. So force can change the speed of a moving body as well. Force can change the direction of a moving body. Here in fourth picture you can see the cricketer can change the direction of fast moving ball in any direction by hitting it with the bat. So force can change the direction of a moving ball as well. Force can change the shape and size of a body. Here in fifth picture you can see by applying force you can mold the dough in any shape and size. So force can change the shape and size of body or dough as well. There are two types of force. One is balanced force. Balanced, as the name is suggesting, that two forces are balanced, means equal. There are two equal forces. Unbalanced force means there are two unequal forces. One force is more than other force which is being applied on the body. Balanced force. Balanced force, if two forces act on a body in opposite direction, and if both the forces are equal, then the resultant force acting on the body is going to be zero. Such forces are called balanced forces. Balanced force can't change the state of the rest or motion of a body. Here you can see there is a body and F1 force and F2 force is applied on it, but these forces are equal, so the body is not going to move anywhere. Unbalanced force, if two forces act on a body in opposite direction, and if one force is greater than the other force, then the resultant force is not going to be zero. Such forces are called unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces can change the state of rest or the motion of a body. Here you can see the F1 force and F2 force are being applied on the body, but F1 force is more than F2 force, so F1 force is more and the body is going to move towards the F1 force, not F2 force, as the more force is being applied from the F1 side. Thank you.